Hey guys, just want to speak to you about renter's insurance today. Renter's insurance is a product, obviously it's for those of you who are renters out there. You do not own the home or the apartment complex that you're staying in, and you maybe want to know what renter's insurance is. A lot of times people want to know what renter's insurance is because all of a sudden they're being required to have it, especially in California. Um, uh, Most complexes want to see that you have the renter's insurance coverage. It protects them and it also protects you. But what is renter's insurance and why do you need it? Well, renter's insurance basically is going to cover you for your items that you own inside the place that you rent. It's going to cover you for liability protection. The liability protection is kind of important because it's similar to a homeowner's policy. It covers you around the world wherever you go. Say you're liable for something. For the example we like to use, say you're out golfing, you hit a ball, hit someone else, and they're injured, and they come back and sue you. Your renter's insurance actually has some liability protection to protect you, and it doesn't have to be inside the apartment. Another big factor in that policy is additional living expenses or loss of use, and sometimes you'll see this depending on the company that you go with, is they will have coverage if for some reason you can't live in that apartment complex anymore. There's a fire or something that's forcing you to move out. They will cover for you guys to for those additional living expenses. Some of them will cover you for all those expenses that you incur for up to a year, depending on the policy. So those are kind of the three main reasons you want to have a renter's insurance policy. And renter's insurance is extremely cheap. And you know, especially in California, I've seen it as low as $80, depending on the city that you live. And standard, you know, I'll see it about $130. That'll kind of give you a rough idea on what to expect. So that's what renter's insurance is. And a couple things you want to know when buying renter's insurance, because there's a couple options out there. Number one, go with a low deductible. No one's going to file a claim for your personal. I mean, go with like a $250 deductible, or even if you can, go $100 deductible. Because if there is some kind of theft, it's going to be hard to prove that they stole more than that. And the reason we have insurance is for that kind of protection. So remember, carry a low deductible. The second tip that I have for you is to include replacement costs on your contents, on your personal property. Basically, what that's going to do is it's going to give you newer items. So, say for example, someone came in and stole a TV from you. You bought it 2 years ago for $200. At the time of loss, 2 years later, if you don't have replacement costs on your policy, they're going to give you the actual value. They include depreciation. So maybe that TV is only worth maybe $50 now. But for example, say you had that replacement cost, you bought it 2 years ago for $200, they're going to give you $200 to replace that TV. So that's another tip. But thank you guys for watching today. We're going to be posting more information about renter's insurance as well as other insurance products. We thank you guys for watching, and we look forward to sharing more information for you to you about insurance in California, and just helping you guys out, try to save some money and some other things. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our website. Thanks.